All right, I'm going to show you how to cut away from a block. So I have created a block here. If I go into my sketch, it's just a 5x2 rectangle, and then I have extruded it by an inch. And so what if I want to cut a diagonal into this? Super easy. All you got to do is create a new sketch on the front of your extruded rectangle. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the line tool, and let's say I want to cut from here to here, and I want to get rid of all this stuff up here. I can just hit the escape button now that both of these points are connected. The issue you're going to have with this, you really need to make sure that those points are connected to the line. Okay, when I'm done with my sketch, I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to just change it to 3D here. And so now I've basically sliced this in two, and I can extrude one of those slices. And instead of extruding out, I'm just going to remove it. There you go. Now it's gotten rid of that. And so if I hit the check mark, now I've gotten rid of that piece. I can do this as many times as I want. If I now want to add an additional cut on that, I could say, well, I don't want it from here to here. Okay, I can also do that. Hit the check mark and extrude. Let's get rid of this. I'm going to remove that. And just make sure, too, here is a depth of 1. You can make sure you go all the way through. That's really the important part. Right? And then I can keep cutting away at this at angles. You can do the same thing with shapes if you wanted to. So let's say in this corner, I want to kind of arc it and cut away that. I can go ahead and extrude this circle. I'm going to remove, right? Oop, that didn't work. Let me try that one more time. So if I extrude here, so there you go, I gotta click on that piece. I'm gonna remove this. There you go. And now if you look at it, I have this shape here. So you can use shapes too to also cut away at objects. And that's it for this lesson.